I had to go to the dentist this morning. Obviously, no cavities. I want to get a teeth whitening on Monday, but my dentist says my teeth are already white and that it won't do anything. So I don't know if I should cancel my appointment now. Because it's not cheap, but I really wanted to get my teeth whitened. Because I have like, oh, look at that level touch. Because I have like 1 or 2 teeth that I feel like specifically are not as white as the others. And so I want to get my teeth whitened. But then Irma said I'm going to look like Ross from Friends when he got his teeth whitened. And it looks like crazy, crazy white. So we'll see. Anyway, happy Friday. I hope you guys had a great week. We had a great week, lots of volatility. I have Santa on, so we'll see what happens there. I got a few more PAs last night. Excited about those. I have them running today on some smaller sizing of Santa.
Order submitted.
As well as, oh, this new one that I'm testing for premium. That's pretty low reward, but the risk is low too. Like the risk and reward are both pretty small. But it kind of goes back to that entire point of if you have an Apex account, you have multiple Apex accounts. Ooh, gold is in a $400 short. If you have
Order filled.
Oh my God, gold just made $800 on that drop. What the hell? It just made $800 on that drop with one contract. This is a premium setup that I'm testing. I feel like it hasn't been that great though, so I don't know, but that was a great move right there. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, so going back to, if you focus on your Apex accounts slow and steady, then $50 or $100 is really all you need every day to grow those accounts in a very safe and appropriate way. And then after, and we kind of broke this down very kind of basic in the group, but if you make $100 a day, that's $2,000 a month. So after 6 weeks, you'll have your cushion built in, and then you continue doing the same thing where you make $100 a day, and then you can just continue to withdraw every 2 weeks, $500, $1,000 from each account. So if you have 10 accounts, you're withdrawing $10,000 every 2 weeks. If you have 20 accounts, you're withdrawing $20,000 every 2 weeks. Obviously, this is after you pass the evaluation and you pass the and you build your funded account to have a bit of a cushion. We need to save all of that. Thank you, Irma. Irma found a map of the casino, of the conference rooms, of where we're doing our happy hour the first night. So, very good. Thank you, Jen. All right, let's see if we can break down below this 921. It's kind of what we're waiting for. The magic line is at like 918. NQ early already hit. ES night hit. So on the standard algorithms, we're 2 for 2 on the day. That's all that's happened so far. Look at Dana, y'all. He's really getting comfortable in his gold and oil setups. He is teaching in Vegas. He is going to teach you what he does in Vegas. And if you're not coming to Vegas, I'm having a videographer present, so he's going to record all of the teachings and the important information, and then I will be selling that later this summer. So for 36, 9, 12, 15, $17,000 across 5 accounts. And this is John. John is also teaching in Vegas. So there's going to be a lot of really great people to learn from. Some little skills that they have that they've created while being in my group. And I'm really excited. Nope, so I only trade futures. I don't trade any stocks. I don't trade crypto. Look at that bounce from the 921. None of that. Perfect. There's your restaurant, the casino, and lobby. Perfect. I'm so excited. We have a pretty big room. Perfect. Are these? Oh, there's escalators right there too, and elevators. Elevators, elevators. We're having our snacks in the foyer, so I guess not in the room itself. Is this the... I don't know what that thing is, but... But how do you get over there? Guest elevators. You could just use the guest elevators. Good morning, good morning. All right, it's 9:38. I can only be live till about 10:10 because then I need to take a quick shower and I need to be at my mother's house by 10:40. We have a 11 o'clock appointment. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. Thank you for the 8 likes so far. That's so nice. Say good morning in the chat. Michael T knows what's up. Good morning. Happy Friday. All right. YouTube's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. I don't know why. Hopefully it fixes itself in a minute. This is that gold $800 short or $900 short, something like that. All right. Santa hasn't taken any trades yet. See if we get some here in a little bit. Remember, that's not a washing machine. It's my walking pad. So, listen, I got to get my steps in. I hit my 30K yesterday. So great. Also, those, yes.
Order filled.
Leaders. Order filled. Was Target filled already? What was that? Oh, scalper. We're in a trade. Green. $135, $155. Guaranteed green. We're running on the long on Santa. Where's Santa? Shoot. Green, $250 on Santa. Let's go. Let's go. I got this on my PA accounts on 5 micros. So whatever you see, I'm going to get half of that. 310, 320, so it's already $150. Over $150 on micros. 365 on this one now.
Filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Perfect. So I just made $175 on micros. $175 on micros on Santa. I took 5 micros instead of 1 mini using the Replicanto Trader. And I made $175. And it's still going. I trailed it close because now this would be $250. It's green. Whatever this is for. Sorry, I'm trying to lift you guys up as I walk. It went to like $475. So I made $175 off of one trade with 5 micros. And the $175 is after fees and commissions. So, that's awesome. Oil on premium is an $150 long. It's still going. $600. Who's in Santa right now? Who is running Santa today?
Split 2, split pace, 18 minutes, 31 seconds per mile.
Is Cappy in this? Shannon, are you in this trade? Or you're too busy watching oil? But you could still be in this. Did I say the escalators? Never.
Order submitted.
Still in this long, $600. Who's posting in chat? Dina, you gotta post in the thread, girly. You gotta post in the thread. You were doing a lot of chat typing yesterday, but you usually don't do that, so I don't know. Alright, you're in that thing now. Well, that would be a secondary one. And that's not, we don't talk about Santa in the student chat either, Mirko. It's gotta be in the regular chat. Student chat has nothing to do with the algos. Yeah, so mine got in right at 940 on that long. Green, $655. We're going to keep running here. Listen, what was my target for the students? Let's see, let's scroll up. 870. Where did he hit that? No. 17,000. We had 17,900. Oh my god, that report. Oh yeah, because we got over the 921. Never mind, ignore me. Alright, well, we're still going. $800 on Santa.
Target filled.
We're still going. $1,000 on Santa. I think you just said you were just in one. In your pinned item, seriously location. Again, all of this will be given in the next week. Please be patient. I didn't know the exact name of the ball, like the conference room, until yesterday or the other day when she sent me a diagram. It's also in there, which is also in the chat. There is a seating diagram in this channel that says the conference room name. I'm telling you, I will not, I feel like one thing I do really well is communicate. I'm not going to leave you guys high and dry, not knowing where to go and what does what. Remember, Josh, we've talked about this before. MMQ is a totally different product when it comes to scalper. You cannot use MMQ and think you will get the same trades as NQ. Therefore, you have to use the Replicento copier and do the cross order from 1 mini to however many micros you want to run. So I did one mini
Order submitted.
with the cross, and then I did a ratio of 5. So it took 5 micros, but it's still using the data on the NQ chart. It's still using the volume on the NQ chart. It's still using the trend on the NQ chart. It's not using the MNQ, which is traded much less than NQ. So the replicento is really, that's really where it comes into play. When you really want to run micros, but the micro product is much more illiquid, like MCL. MCL is horrible. So if I ever want to run a micro, I simply use the replicento and I do the cross order. Also, Oracle, NQ Oracle is in a long green $600. Let's go.
Order canceled.
It was probably higher than that, 800, 900. Sure thing, glad that helps. Green $800, maybe even higher here. Look it, Oracle, go, 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 go. It really, I think it's ready to come back in our good graces. She's back. That's exactly what I was just thinking, and she's like, I'm here, get excited. All right, can we get over this 18,000? That's a big old number. Whew. Well, let's go. Let's get back up to that 800. Remember, if you want to take profit at any point on Oracle, you could take the stop loss, move it up, and drop it. You move it, go where you want, and then click, and it will drop. If it comes all the way back down here, I'm only going to make $50, and that goes against your trailing drawdown on Apex. So you have to understand how that works. And if you feel like, hey, let me just take this $600, this $700, who cares about the other $200 or $300 that I'm going to miss out on, then that's your prerogative, and you have the ability to do that. And that's why I can't tell people what to do. I can't advise you what to do, but, you know, I think it's pretty common sense that if you have a trailing drawdown on your PA or on your eval, that you want to be a little careful about how green something goes, and then how far from that green area does it pull back. So if it goes green 800 and it comes back and you make $100, they're still counting that $700 against your drawdown, even though you didn't profit off of it.
Order submitted.
Does that make sense?
Order canceled.
All right, Taco Bell. Yes, early's in a long, but I think it's a no for today. Is the stream so bad? Can't win it if you ain't in it. Oh, yeah, girl. Hi, George. You might be right. Sometimes I forget. There's a lot going on. I just get excited when something hits target. You are correct, George. You are correct. But it's been killing it all week. All right, yes, early on the other hand, we do want. I like it. All right, so, oh, ES is coming back to life. All right, let's go, ES. Let's go. ES early. Shoot. Let's go. Push, push, push. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, early. Oh yeah, kids graduating, all that stuff. All right, we're moving up. Let's go, ES early. Let's go. Let's go. Which one? Oracle or ES? Go. It's green. $12. Come on. A little more of a push. Let's go. Let's go. You got to make up for some of your shitty trades this week, ES early. Everyone's mad at you, okay? You better get on the right side of the train here. I don't even know if that's a real saying, but it sounded good, so. 25. I saw $25. Let's go. Push. 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 Remember, you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money when you have 10 to 20 Apex accounts. $50 a day, $100 a day. And I know like some people will get in their own head like, well, which strategy should I choose to make $100 a day? You got to just weigh your options. Look at the best and the worst.
Target filled.
Size down. Size down on something that has a big stop loss. Don't size down on something that has a small stop loss. Like NQ Santa has a stop loss of $200. $850 on Oracle here. ES early hit target. Let's go. $100 away from Oracle hitting target. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure you follow me. I go live every day 9:30 to 10:30 on YouTube and TikTok. And then Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. on TikTok. And then Will be live on TikTok from 3 to 5 p.m. Kyle will not be live today. $955 on Oracle here. You guys, it's had a full green week. An entire green week. But we needed to see this to feel more comfortable. You can't just see one green day after something's been having a hard time and then say, oh, you know, I'm going to jump in or whatever. Thanks for the thumbs up on YouTube. I appreciate it. Because you want to make sure that it's turned around and it's getting back into its groove. And it really seems like it has. So this is great. This is great, great, great. ES Oracle's a no on Fridays, and it had one loss for $100. I gotta get some Mother's Day cards. I get like 3.
Order canceled.
All right, target hit. Yes, you're non-professional unless you are a full professional trader, which means you have your license and you trade for other people. 99.9% of the time, you're going to be a non-professional
Order
trader.
submitted.
Dana said it hit my stop by 1 tick and then dropped. How rude. The Santa made $1,000 so far today. $1,000. No touching Santa. Now it's in a short. Let's fucking go. I gotta get over there on my other account because I could probably turn it off now. I gotta sound out of breath. I promise you I'm not out of breath. Oh, and I actually had another short for a win, so that was good. $410. Remember, I got in the way of that first trade. Like, I took a quick target. This short might get stopped. We'll see. But it's green $1,000 on this one trade. And so I got this short
Order filled.
since I was out of the long. And it made money. But clearly I left a lot of money on the table with, oops, let me zoom you out here, with this long on the left. Left a lot of money on the table. All right, what time is it? 9:57. Is there a report at 10? I feel like there might be. I'll pull you guys back a little bit. So still green after that loss, still green $100 and getting in the way of my other account. Still green $100 on that PA. So that's great. It was 175. I'm trading 5 micros. We'll see. I'm going to look at it tonight. Nice job. Moonshine got the whole $1,100 on one of his PAs with Santa. Oh, shoot. I just hit my mouse and all of the batteries came out. Fell on the floor. Oh no. I gotta keep walking. I'm gonna have a really good lunch today, so I'm excited about that. I think because my box is too far off this table. I already took a shower earlier because I walked to, what? Was it an hour and a half? Yeah, I walked an hour and a half earlier. Now I'm walking for an hour? But, oh, it's like 53 minutes already? Oh yeah. I'm already at 3 miles. Did I do 5 miles before? Something like that. Oh yeah, I gotta get my 30,000 steps, yo. Gotta get them in. They're not just gonna happen on their own. Oh, look at this beautiful stuff. Clearly we're not getting that pullback today.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, Santa's dropping. Oh, there's a report. $400.
Order
Shit.
filled.
Shit, I got in the way again. Oh no. What's happening? What the hell just happened? My, yo, Santa is dropping. Who's in this short? Who's in this short? $800? What? $600?
Order filled.
Why is my PA acting crazy? They're saying something about the...
Order filled.
Alright, I might have to turn this off. Okay, well I made $1,000 on my PA on Santa, so that's all I care about. No, so the $1,000 long, now it's in like a $1,000 short. Damn, Santa, who got this? Who got this short?
18 minutes, 47 seconds per mile.
Mirko, did you get this short? $1,100 long, $1,000 short. Where's Will? Will, are you on the live? Guys, we're an $1,100 short. Let's freaking go. I got $1,000 on my brand new PA today. $1,000. It would have been more. if I didn't get out of that first trade so early, I'd probably be green like $2,000 on my brand new PA. Risking
Order
$200.
canceled.
Will, I
Order
sent you a
canceled.
DM. Can you check it out when you get a second? Please. Pretty please.
Order
Cherries on
submitted.
top. Didn't I just say we weren't getting that move back? And then we got it. Well, we got something like it. All right, I turned my Santa off on my PA because I made $1,000, and that's more than enough. Okay, Mirko, we don't need
Order
deposition
filled.
stuff in there. If you're having issues with Santa, reach out to Irma, please. But 100% should have been in that short. All of us seem to be in that short that made just now over $1,000. Jen took a picture. It was at 1,200. Jen, you're going to be showing that on your live today. You know I was waiting, right? Oh, NQ early's 2 for 2.
Order submitted.
Happy Friday to us. Santa's green $1,700 on the day with no
Order
touching.
filled.
And it's in a $200 short now. And it just took profit. $1,800 on the day, no touching. 1 mini on Santa. Risking $200. You're risking $200 and you're up $2,000 on the day. That's what this
Order
looks like.
submitted.
It's in another short. I turned it off on my PA, FYI. Yep. Okay, Mirko, I'm going to need you to take this to Irma because it's just like the same thing. I'm going to have Irma message you. You guys have to make sure you're fully resetting Santa every night. You should be, if it's easier for you, close the entire chart, reopen it, and re-add the strategy. But I just shut down Ninja Trader every single night, and that does the reset for me. And then I just turn on the algorithms all together
Order
at like
filled.
6 p.m. All right, so still 1,600
Order
hands
submitted.
free on Santa. You can turn this off at any time. You don't have to let it run all day. You don't have to let it trade all day. It's in a short here. Green, $200. And again, it just had a $200 loss, so it's already gotten that back on this short. 240. But again, you don't have to run this all day. We're at the magic line. Whew. $300 on this Santa short. When the volatility is present and these big reports are happening, Santa is such a go-to. Earnings, you got to just remember it, FOMC, you got to just put
Order
it on your
filled.
calendar, and it's something that I take into consideration and I kind of keep an eye on too. So I tell you guys if you're in my group, oh hey, it's the week of FOMC, we're probably going to get some great volatile action. You know, Santa is a play, whatever. And Oracle is not during earnings. Nice job, Dana. Have a great weekend. All right, so took profit there. So back to 1,700 on the day. No touching.
Order submitted.
How close am I to this? Oh, did I already do 8 miles? Did I do? I might be at 9 miles already. All right, I'm going to give myself 4 more minutes till 10:10. Santa's in a long. Again, you don't have to continue to let it trade. When you're not in a trade, you can disable the algorithm and be done for the day. It's already made $1,700 hands-free. If you want to keep letting it run, that's up to you. But could it go 0 for 5 for the next 5 trades? Absolutely. And then you'd have lost $1,000. So keep it in mind.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Good, good, good. So you got to keep that in mind. You know, could it lose 5 times in a row now that it had these 2 big moves? Absolutely. So why would you want to keep it on and just give all of your profit back? All right, any questions?
Order filled.
There it goes. See, 2 losses in a row. Any questions? We came back to the NQ early zone and popping up. Look at
Order
that.
submitted.
Look at that. How does our manual chart look? Looking good, looking good. I'll move to this. All right. Let me zoom out. If you want more information, you have any questions, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Jen will be live from 2 to 3. Will be live from 3 to 5.
Order submitted.
And then it will be the weekend. It's 10:08, so I'll be on for 2 more minutes. I hope. Oh, we're in a $500 short on Santa now. Jeez. Hold on. I'm bringing her back up. $500 short. Makes up for those 2 $200 losses it just had. $600 on this short.
Order canceled.
$700 on the short. This is with 1 contract. You can see it says right there, 1. In the little box, that's red. Red means it's going down. We want it to go down. It's a short. If the box is green, like the little box is green, then that means we're in a long. Oh, probably. Remember, if you're buying some new accounts on Apex, Tradeovate is the better option. If you want to buy Rhythmic, you can, but sometimes they have connection issues,
Order
and I
submitted.
don't want that for you guys. Green $800 on this short on Santa. Damn. Damn. Where is everyone in the chat? Where's Deb?
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Sarah?
Order submitted.
Whenever we're winning, everyone's real quiet. When we're losing, everyone's super loud. All right, 1900 now, hands-free on Santa and in a long. All right, have fun at the gym. Make sure you post in the chat, guys. Say, you know, great Friday, have a good weekend, whatever.
Order canceled.
We want to make sure we're being inclusive and including everyone in our celebratory conversations. Will be live from 3 to 5. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in this long, guaranteed green $300 on Santa. $300 on this long.
Order canceled.
So green 1900 and then guaranteed another 100 here.
Order filled.
Green $2,000 on the day. Santa. Well, you know, Andon, somebody was asking me about that yesterday. You know, Friday's the worst performing day for it. Oh, no, Monday is Monday. But then Friday's like the second worst. So, because I was actually going to be like, oh, it's been doing well. Maybe I'll turn it on for Friday on micros or something. But then I remembered Friday is one of the days it doesn't do great. Like Tuesday's the best day.
Order
So
submitted.
I wouldn't be so hard on her. She's still green on the week. You know what I mean? And what is it? Red $200 on the day. So it's not, it's not the end of the world. But yeah. But Friday is the second, like, least performing day for Oracle. So, all right. I gotta go take a shower. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Friday. Make sure you check out Jen from 2 to 3 on TikTok. Make sure you check out Will from 3 to 5 on TikTok. Santa is just a beast today. $2,000. And now in this short. All right. You guys have a great day. Thanks for joining. Oh, look at this. Another $300 short on Santa. Beats and Bot Hour, 5 to 7. Oh, good. Andon will be live from 5 to 7. Good, 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 because Kyle's not live today. So, Andon, make sure you get someone to share the link or just remind me, and then I can share the link. Jen, if you're around anytime from 5 to 7 tonight, we just need to share the link for
Order
Andon
filled.
so folks can join him. Yeah, that's probably what it was because of that report.
Order submitted.
All right. What is that? Oh, Oracle's in a short green, $200. All right. Have a great Friday, guys. I'm going to get off of here. Lots of wins today. Thanks for joining. Bye. Thanks, Will. I
Order
appreciate
canceled.
it. Yeah, make sure we share his live. Thank you.